Hey guys, today we have the last DIY fidget spinner video. I still have some supplies left from last month, so let's make one more golden fidget spinner, then we call it a day. So what do you need? We need some solder, some some bearings, like I have gold ones, some super glue, some 22mm rings. I bought these door knobs that we will use for this, and I bought some more rings. So enjoy the video. This will be the shape of the fidget spinner, circle. Now we need to use the solder, and I will be using a gas torch to solder it together. So everything is soldered together now, so let it cool off and then we take a look and then we go ahead. Okay, this is how it looks so far. We have soldered every point. This is how it looks. Now we will take the bearings, the gold bearings, and the super glue. Otherwise the bearings will not stay in when you spin them. So let's open this. Okay, so what we're going to do is put a little bit of glue on the edge here and then just insert it in one of the circles. Okay, this is how it looks so far. In my opinion, it looks pretty good. So let's finish it now and then see the results. Okay, for the last part we will need this one. It is like for on a door, you can grab it. We will need one screw. We will saw it in two and then we can join them together. I will show you. So I saw the end off, and now as you can see, this can go in there, and this one can go in here. So let's attach it to the spinner. It's a bit annoying to get it in. I'll be back when I have it in. So I've attached the knobs and now it's done. I think it looks very good. So so this was the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be giving this one away, so if you want to enter, just hit the subscribe button. Comment down below why you want to win it and where you're from. And I will choose one at the end of the month and I will send you this spinner by post. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.